To redeem an Amazon gift card on your PC or laptop, follow these steps. First, go to the Amazon website and sign into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by clicking on the Start Here button and following the prompts. Once you are signed in, hover over the Account and Lists tab and click on Gift Cards. This will take you to the Gift Cards page where you can view your gift card balance and redeem new gift cards. Click on Redeem a gift card and enter the gift card claim code. The claim code is the series of numbers and letters on the back of the physical gift card or in the email if you received a digital gift card. Enter the code and click Apply to your account. The gift card amount will be added to your Amazon account and you can use it to make purchases. To redeem your Amazon gift card to your bank account, you will need to have an Amazon Pay account. If you do not have one, you can create it by going to the Amazon Pay website and following the prompts. Once you have an Amazon Pay account, go to the gift cards page and click on Withdraw Funds. Select the bank account you want to transfer the funds to and enter the amount you want to transfer. The funds will be transferred to your bank account within a few days. Note that you can only transfer funds to a bank account that is in your name and is a valid account. It is also important to note that Amazon has certain rules and restrictions on redeeming gift cards, such as the gift card amount must be used within a year of redemption. Additionally, you can only redeem a gift card to a bank account if you are the owner of the account. In terms of best practices, make sure to only purchase gift cards from authorized sellers and never share your gift card claim code with anyone. Also, keep in mind that gift cards are subject to the terms and conditions of Amazon, so it is a good idea to review them before redeeming your gift card. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily redeem your Amazon gift card on your PC or laptop and transfer the funds to your bank account. This is a convenient way to use your gift card and get the items you want or need.